Hello friend, today I want to show you how to remove your Google account. Samsung J2 Core is new updating 2020. Also see nicely complete video. After then you are connecting Wi-Fi. You have data SIM card, also using data SIM card. You see I am connecting Wi-Fi. After the next
open.
you see you have FRP, don't have this Google account. After then is showing is don't have Google account, is showing is the option is open. Next, if you don't have option, you go to back now. You are put it on any SIM card network, and then after then call. You see you are getting 3 dots, and then press 3 dots. After then press the. After then you are writing something and send it message. Then press that message. You are getting to share it. Then go to Google. Gmail. After then I click there. Then last option. Then writing any Gmails. After then next. After then go to again. Then press the you want option the lock. After the next, then press the then go to down and select any pattern. Next, go to back. Your job is done 100% now. Now is next. You see you are getting that pattern. You are put it that pattern, which one you are put it there. After then you see now is get it option. You are press there. Next and done. See your phone now is done 100%. Now I want to remove this lock. If you don't remove it, now your phone is done 100%.